How to give storage permission in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can give storage permission in Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to give storage permission in your Android phone, it depends upon which Android phone you're using. For Samsung, to enable storage permission for a certain app, I need to open settings and then go to the option known as apps, as you can find here, and then I tap on it. Once I go to apps here, you simply need to select the app on which you want to give storage permission, which could be, let's say, Messenger over here. When you open Messenger or the app info page, you'll find the permissions tab. Go to permission. Now storage permission basically means files and media, photos and videos permission. So make sure to go to photos and videos and then set it to allow. After that, go to music and audio, set it to allow, and then just go to any of the other files permissions here, and you should be able to enable those permissions. Now what you can also do is tap the three dots and then go to the option called all permissions, and then here you should be able to see all of these options such as music, audio, notifications, phones, photos and videos. Read image files from shared storage, make sure to enable that permission. Read video files from storage permission, make sure to enable those permissions as well. And similarly, you can see a list of other storage permissions that you can use over here. Now if this doesn't work, then what you can do is just come back to the app page here. When you're on the apps page, on the top right hand side you'll find the three dots option next to the apps, and here you'll find permission manager. So you can go to permission manager here and then simply look for the files permission here, and then make sure to select the applications over here, and then they will be able to access the storage permission. This way you'll be able to allow storage permission. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.